Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Android 14 backup with Google One, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Android 14 backup with Google One, start by ensuring you have a Google One subscription. Open the Google One app on your device. If you do not have it installed, download it from the Google Play Store. Once the app is open, sign in with your Google account. After signing in, locate the backup section in the app. Tap on Backup to access backup options. Enable backup by toggling the switch at the top of the screen. You will see various data categories available for backup, such as photos, videos, device settings, and more. Select the data categories you wish to back up. For each category, turn on the toggle next to the option to enable backup. Once you've chosen your categories, tap on Backup Now to initiate the backup process. The app will start backing up your data according to the selections you made. You can monitor the backup progress from the same screen. To ensure the backup runs automatically, navigate to the backup settings within the app. Set up the frequency of backups according to your preference, such as daily or weekly. After configuring your settings, here, you can review your backup status and manage storage if needed. In case of low storage, consider upgrading your Google One plan for more space. With the backup successfully set, you can access your backed up data anytime through Google Drive or Google Photos. To restore your data, simply sign in to your Google account on a new or reset Android device. During the setup process on the new device, select the option to restore your backup. Follow the prompts to restore your data from Google One. Congratulations, your Android 14 backup with Google One is now set up and ready. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.